Okay, guys, I hope you didn't miss out from these trading activities on Boom 1000. It happened all through the night and it was amazing. I'm very sure those that are having the custom made indicator, the 3M trend milker indicator, must have milked this market successfully right from this resistance zone down here to the very last part of the support zone. Okay, so this is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. Okay, so if you are not having the custom made indicator, and probably that's the reason why you missed out from this opportunity, or else the custom made indicator will have notified you that there is an amazing trading opportunity for you right here. So if you are not having, then let's see how you can take advantage of such opportunity next time when you see something like this on your charts. So come along with me and let me teach you a simple way of taking advantage of such opportunity even using your mobile platform. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, but before I do that, remember this is coming to you courtesy QDC, that is Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. You already know the setup on the chart, so let's go straight into it right from here. Like I've always been telling you, we always have the resistance zone and the support zone. In short, we have so many of it on a single chart, but we have those ones that are major ones. Okay, right here at the top right here, we have our resistance zone right from there. And of course, since the market has gotten to a major resistance zone, then what should we do? Let's do the confirmation using the setup within the window indicator. And of course, this has actually gotten above, it has gone above 70, and of course it means that the market has overbought already, so which means it should change the direction of the trend from a buying trend into a selling trend, that is from from an uptrend into a downtrend. But it can only change that is if it does not break out from this resistance zone. If it breaks out from there, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so how do we know that it's not breaking out? If you should see this structure, here is a structure, a simple structure, and of course this has already given us end structure. So if it's not breaking out above it, then it's going to give us our M structure, and the M means that it's going to sell. The last leg of M is that it's going to sell. So even if you do not come in at the top right here, you can come in immediately. It crossed the moving average downward. Okay, so you can sell right from there and set your first TP to somewhere here. This is 5-minute time frame, so that is still something reasonable. If it breaks out from there, then you set the second TP to somewhere here, third TP to somewhere here, and the last one to somewhere here. Okay, so you can see how you would have milked the market from the beginning to the very end. Okay, so this is so amazing, so simple to use, and of course just look for a kind of chart formation like this and jump into it right from there. It is as easy as that. Okay, this trade was so beautiful. I saw so many screenshots from most of my subscribers that are using the custom made indicator, and it's so amazing. So you guys can also take advantage of it. Either you're having the custom made indicator or not, you can still take advantage of it. So I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.